Hey New York, this is Clark with NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner. I wanted to talk to you about window air conditioner installation in New York City. So if you're looking for an insured installer, NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner can help you. We have been in business several years. We have some great ratings on Google, almost 400 right now. And we can install any window air conditioner unit, anything from a 5,000 all the way up to about a 18 or 20,000 BTU. So we're familiar with all manufacturers, and we can also help you make recommendations and cooling solutions. Okay, so if you're interested, you can visit our website, NYC Pigeon Air Conditioner. Or just type in nycpigionac.com, and you can book your appointment right on our website. It's very easy. Also, you can just give us a call. You can book us a call at 347-719-1499. If we miss your call, you can just text us and we'll respond within a few minutes. So we can help you with quotes. We can help you picking the right unit, and we're looking forward to working with you. All right, take care and good luck this summer.